apart from that, apart from that, uretse ibyo. Apart from that, everything is fine. Apart from that, everything is fine. Uretse ibyo byose ni byiza cyangwa se byose bimeze neza. Apart from that, I have no complaints. Apart from that, I have no complaints. Uretse ibyo nta kindi nenga. Apart from that, the trip was enjoyable. Apart from that, the trip was enjoyable. Uretse ibyo urugendo rwari rushimishije. Apart from that, we are ready to leave. Apart from that, we are ready to leave. Uretse ibyo twiteguye kugenda. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga imikoresherezwe y'amagambo akurikira: excluding hatabariwemo, including harimo ingero nka in addition to, byongeye kandi, apart from that, usibye ibyo, as well as, ndetse na, along with, hamwe na. Mbibutse yuko niba ukeneye kwihugura ku rurimi rw'Icyongereza, twandikire kuri nomero ubona hasi kuri ekara yawe. In addition to, in addition to, byongeye kandi. I like English. In addition to that, I like French. I like English. In addition to that, I like French. I like English. In addition to that, I like French. Nkunda Icyongereza, byongeye kandi nkunda n'Igifaransa. He is kind. In addition to that, he is honest. He is kind. In addition to that, he is honest. Ni umugwaneza, byongeye kandi ni umunyakuri. In addition to, uburyo bwa kabiri ikoreshwa isobanura uretse. Examples: in addition to English, she speaks French. In addition to English, she speaks French. Uretse Icyongereza avuga n'Igifaransa. In addition to his job, he runs a small business. In addition to his job, he runs a small business. Uretse akazi ke akora n'ubucuruzi buto. In addition to food, we bought some drinks. In addition to food, we bought some drinks. Uretse ibiryo twaguze n'ibinyobwa. Ijambo rikurikiyeho ni along with. Along with, hamwe na cyangwa se ari kumwe na. Examples: she came along with her sister. She came along with her sister. Yaje ari kumwe na mushiki we. I sent the letter along with the documents. I sent the letter along with the documents. Nohereje ibaruwa hamwe n'inyandiko. He bought a phone along with a charger. He bought a phone along with a charger. Yaguze telefone hamwe na sharijeri yayo. Bring your notebook along with your pen. Bring your notebook along with your pen. Sana ikayi yawe hamwe n'ikaramu yawe. Uburyo bwa kabiri dukoresha along with ni bijyanye na. Examples: success comes along with hard work. Success comes along with hard work. Intsinzi ijyana no gukora cyane. Responsibility comes along with leadership. Responsibility comes along with leadership. ubuyobozi bujyana n'inshingano. Experience grows along with age. Experience grows along with age. Uburambe bwiyongera uko imyaka yiyongera. Confidence comes along with practice. Confidence comes along with practice. Icyizere kijyana no kwimenyereza. Ijambo rikurikiye ni as well as. As well as nko kuvuga kandi cyangwa se ndetse na. Examples: she sings as well as dances. She sings as well as dances. Araririmba kandi akanabyina. I bought bread as well as milk. I bought bread as well as milk. Naguze umugati ndetse n'amata. He speaks English as well as Kinyarwanda. He speaks English as well as Kinyarwanda. Avuga Icyongereza ndetse n'Ikinyarwanda. They invited teachers as well as students. They invited teachers as well as students. Batumiye abarimu ndetse n'abanyeshuri. As well as isobanura nanone neza nk'uko cyangwa se kimwe nk'uko. Examples: she can cook as well as her mother. She can cook as well as her mother. Ashobora guteka neza nka mama we. He plays football as well as his brother. He plays football as well as his brother. Akina umupira neza nk'umuvandimwe we. You speak English as well as your teacher. You speak English as well as your teacher. Uvuga Icyongereza neza nka mwarimu wawe. They work as well as professionals. They work as well as professionals. Bakora neza nk'ababigize umwuga. Ijambo rikurikiye ni including. Including harimo na. Examples: everyone came including John. Everyone came including John. Bose baje harimo na John. We visited many places including Kigali. We visited many places including Kigali. Twasuye ahantu henshi harimo na Kigali. I like all fruits including oranges. I like all fruits including oranges. Nkunda imbuto zose harimo n'amacunga. The price includes everything. The price includes everything. Igiciro gikubiyemo byose. Ni ukuvuga ibintu byose babahereye fagitire hamwe y'ibintu byose mwasabye. Uburyo bwa kabiri including ikoreshwamo ivuga harimo urugero nka. Examples: many animals including lions live here. Many animals including lions live here. Inyamaswa nyinshi harimo n'intare ziba hano. Several students including Mary passed the exam. Several students including Mary passed the exam. Abanyeshuri benshi harimo na Mariya batsinze ikizamini. We learned many tenses including present perfect. We learned many tenses including present perfect. Twize ibihe byinshi harimo na present perfect. I enjoy outdoor activities including hiking. I enjoy outdoor activities including hiking. Nkunda ibikorwa byo hanze harimo no gutembera mu misozi cyangwa se kurira imisozi. Ijambo rikurikiyeho ni excluding. Excluding. Examples: the price is $100 excluding tax. The price is $100 excluding tax. Igiciro ni amadolari $100 hatabariwemo umusoro. Excluding children, they were 50 people. Excluding children, they were 50 people. Hatabariwemo abana hari abantu 50. Excluding weekends, I work every day. Excluding weekends, I work every day. Hatabariwemo impera z'icyumweru nkora buri munsi. Uburyo bwa kabiri excluding ikoreshwamo: hatabariwemo cyangwa se hakuwemo. We counted everyone excluding the visitors. We counted everyone excluding the visitors. Twabaza abantu bose tutabariyemo abashyitsi. Excluding damaged items, we sold everything. Excluding damaged items, we sold everything. Hatabariwemo ibintu byangiritse, twagurishije ibindi byose. The report excludes private information. The report excludes private information. Raporo ikuramo amakuru y'ibanga. Excluding fuel costs, the trip was affordable. Excluding fuel costs, the trip was affordable. Hatabariwemo amafaranga ya lisansi, urugendo ntigwari ruhenze. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.